Okay, so the next poetry element that we're going to talk about is rhyme scheme. The pattern of rhymes. It is a letter that is assigned to each end of the line. Sometimes they rhyme with one another and sometimes they don't. For example, here we have roses are red, violets are blue, sugar is sweet, and so are you. Our A is the word red. B is the word blue. So A and B are not the same letter because red and blue do not rhyme. Then C is for sweet. And then we go back to B because the words blue and you rhyme. And then we have a rhythm, the musical quality of a poem using alliteration, meter, repetition, or rhyme. For example, the lullaby Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. So on this next slide, you are going to give me an example of a rhyme scheme and a rhyme.